In this video, you'll learn why your ONN monitor has no sound and how you can fix it. Let's jump in. Number 1. Check for built-in speakers. Before trying anything complicated, check whether your ONN monitor actually has built-in speakers. Many ONN models look great, but simply don't include internal audio, which means you won't get sound no matter what settings you change. Look up your exact model number on the ONN website or the user manual and see if speakers are listed under features. If they're not, you'll need external speakers or headphones to hear any sound. This one quick check saves you from hours of testing the wrong problem. Number 2. Check connections. Your cable choice plays a huge role in whether sound is transferred to the monitor. HDMI carries both video and audio, so it's the best option if your monitor supports it. However, VGA does not carry audio, and some DisplayPort cables don't either. If you're using a cable that doesn't support sound, the image will appear but audio won't. Make sure you're connected with HDMI, ensure the cable is fully inserted on both ends, and confirm your PC or console is actually sending sound through that HDMI output. Number 3. Fix audio settings. Even with the right cable, audio settings can block sound completely. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon and open Playback Devices. Then set your ONN monitor or HDMI output as the default device. Make sure the monitor's own volume isn't muted inside its on-screen display menu. Updating your audio drivers is also important, since corrupted or outdated drivers often prevent HDMI audio from working. Console users should also verify that HDMI audio is enabled in their system settings. Number 4. Check hardware. Sometimes the issue is as simple as a loose cable or a faulty port. Double-check that your HDMI cable is secure, try a different HDMI port on your PC or monitor, and if possible, test with another cable. If your monitor has a headphone or audio out jack, plug in headphones to see if sound is being passed through. If audio works through the jack but not the speakers, the internal speakers may be missing or malfunctioning. If you're using external speakers, confirm they're powered on, set to the right input, and have their volume adjusted properly. Number 5. Use external audio. If your ONN monitor doesn't include built-in speakers, or the speakers aren't working, external audio is the easiest solution. You can plug speakers or headphones directly into your PC, console, or the monitor's audio out port if it has one. HDMI audio extractors are also a great fix. They pull sound out of the HDMI signal and send it to your speakers while the video continues to your monitor. You can also use Bluetooth or wireless speakers if your device supports them, giving you audio without extra cables. Number 6. Advanced fixes. If none of the earlier steps work, it's time to look at deeper causes. Some ONN monitors receive firmware updates that fix audio bugs, so check the ONN support site to see if your model has one available. You can also reset the monitor to factory settings through the on-screen menu, which often clears out hidden configuration issues. If your monitor is supposed to have speakers but still produces no sound after every fix, it may have a hardware defect. At that point, contacting ONN customer support or the retailer for a replacement is the best move.